Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about that how are we going to clear all the cache from our Windows PC. Now the advantage of clearing a cache is that it makes your computer work faster. It actually loads the fresh data, no stale data is loaded, and it also makes sure that you are getting the latest piece of information without any delays. So basically cache is actually maintained like a memory. It is a small bit of memory that is maintained so that if you're frequently accessing any piece of data, then that data is stored in the cache memory. Then next time you are accessing that data, it is taken from the cache memory so that it is presented to you faster. But it has some disadvantages, like sometimes you might get stale data. Having a lot of cache memory can slow the computer speed, etc. So it is a good practice to clear up the cache time to time. So in this video we are going to see the steps you need to follow to clear up the cache in your system. The process is pretty simple. Without any further ado, let us just dive right into the solution. The first thing you need to do is press Windows R from your keyboard. This will bring up the run menu. Now here we need to run some of the programs. So the first program that I need to run or I need to open is Prefetch. So Prefetch, Prefetch. Click on OK or press enter. So it will ask you for a permission, then give it the admin permission. So these are actually the files that only the admins can access. So if you see, these are all the temporary files that are maintained by our PC, and by deleting these files our PC speed will improve. So just press Ctrl A, Shift, then delete. So Shift delete makes sure that your items are permanently deleted. They are not stored in the recycle bins, but they are gone for once and forever. So let's just click on yes. There may be some files which will give you a warning, so just skip this file. So these two files have been skipped. These are actually the files of the programs that we are currently using onto our PC. That's why it's not able to delete them. So it's fine with us. So Prefetch deletes the cache. Next, what you need to do is again run Windows R from your keyboard. This time search for Temp, T-E-M-P, Temp, T capital. Click on OK. This will bring up, in my case it is bringing up an empty folder, but in your case it might bring up some files or folders. So whatever files or folders it is, just press Ctrl A, Shift and delete. So you need to permanently delete all of the files or the folders that are present in this particular folder, because these are also the temporary cached files which we don't need. The third step you need to do is press Windows R from your keyboard again. This time we need to run %temp%. Press OK. Now here you can see I have two files because I have been cleaning up my cache from time to time, but these are actually the caches that are created just now, that have been created just today. Like you can see, 1st March. So these are actually the program files of the programs that I'm currently using. So one is the Chrome and the second is the WMV, which is currently I'm using for screen recording. So I'm not going to delete these two files because these are something I'm currently using. This folder actually stores the files created by the softwares that you have been using. So suppose you're clearing your cache after 6 months. So during those 6 months, all the softwares that you have used have created some of the temporary files. These all will be stored over here. So whatever files are there, just press Ctrl A to select them all, then Shift and delete to delete them permanently from your system. We don't need those files. Okay, just close this. The last step is again Windows R from your keyboard. This time CLEAN, clean, MGR, clean manager. Click on OK. This is a disk cleanup. So just select the disk where your operating system is installed. In my case it's in the C drive. Click on OK. This will open up this kind of a disk cleanup, which will give you some of the temporary cached files that it has stored, like the temporary internet files, delivery optimization files, etc. So just select the temporary files, thumbnails, like this. 16.2 MB is the loaded space I want to clean, and that's the exact amount of space that can be cleaned. So click on OK, click on delete files. It's going to take a few seconds, then it's going to delete all of those files. Now that's how you can clear the cache. If you want to see the difference, you can just open up any folder. Let's say I open up this folder. So now it takes a second for the thumbnails to load. Like if I open this folder again, it is taking a second for the thumbnails to load. They are not cached for me. So this is actually the difference that happens when you delete the cached information. It actually increases your computer speed, but then it takes a second or two to load the data for you. So that's how you can delete the cache from your system. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.